Howdy everyone, this is Graham Biden with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. So we're walking in, we've walked in the Hanover Buffalo Bayou, and then let's just take a look at it. It's a really pretty lobby, just gorgeous. It's like a five-star hotel. I mean, just some beautiful wall images and lighting. It's just really pretty. The leasing team is over here, and then you've got a 24/7 concierge that's here. She's already helped me. She's been wonderful. It's really pretty lighting and stuff like that. It's just a gorgeous feel in here. It does feel like a beautiful five-star hotel. So this is again the lobby. Really pretty area. There's some places to sit and relax. There's some really nice music that you're hearing in the background, and then you've got the mail center here, and that's over there, and then the elevators are over here. So that's essentially the first floor. There's an amenity floor. We're going to be seeing that in a minute, and then we're going to see a model or two. So can't wait to show that off to you, but this is it, and just gorgeous. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour, whether that's a virtual on your iPhone or a live tour, send me a text and just use the number below there. I look forward to hearing from you, and let's go to the next video.